Our family has planted a garden with several flowering plants.
That sounds wonderful. What kind of flowers do you have?
We have roses, marigolds, and jasmine. Our relatives, friends, and neighbors also visit the garden.
That must be fun. Do you all spend time here together?
Yes, we sit, talk, share jokes, and laugh together. My parents also relax here after a hard day at work.
It sounds like a peaceful and happy place. It sounds like a peaceful and happy place.
It is. Last week, our community gathered in the garden to felicitate my grandfather for his years of service in teaching. It was a beautiful celebration filled with kind words and appreciation.